In this video, we put the chairs together and do a review with our dog here. Stay tuned. Hey wife, how you doing?
Doing great.
Awesome. Here we are enjoying our new Adirondack chairs. These are Jearey brand from Lowe's. Just put them together. It took me about an hour and a half to put together. Not
By yourself?
by myself, not too bad.
Good job, baby.
These are the HDPE, or what you want to call
It's like the Polywood. Material.
Yeah, Polywood. And so here we are. We're both 5'9", 5'10"-ish. Super comfortable. It's got this little footrest on the bottom. Nice arm rests here. We've got this little table in the middle. There's a little umbrella sleeve if you want to put an umbrella, if you want to put these outside. But this is that Polywood. So apparently it really shouldn't ever. It shouldn't fade. It shouldn't rot, anything like that.
Rust.
Right, it won't rust. It's very heavy. I think the box is like 120 pounds or something like that. This stuff is really heavy duty. It's all stainless steel hardware. And yeah, like I said, hopefully we'll have this for a good bit longer. It says you can put them together in 20 minutes. Unless you have a power drill, that's not going to happen. You're not going to put them together in 20 minutes. But I got these on Lowe's.com, so hashtag Lowe's finds. But what do you think? Anything else?
No, I love it.
Let me just show you around the seats real quick. Hey guys, so we're just going to walk you through real quick the Jearey balcony height chairs from Lowe's with the little table in the middle. So as I mentioned previously, it does have the stainless steel hardware. It is the Polywood, so it's going to last a really, really long time. Everything was very nicely, most of the stuff was put together. Of course, the slats were on the pieces. Both this and this were pre-assembled. All you really had to do was bolt up the legs, the arms, and then of course bolt the backrest and the bottom of the chair to that. And then of course you just kind of put this middle piece together. But these things are really comfortable because they have an angle to them, as you can see. Right, the bottom of the chair is it's rounded on the bottom. So you recline a little bit, and then also the back of the chair also reclines a little bit back. But it is very nice. Overall, they're very comfortable. I would highly recommend the chairs to anybody looking for some nice patio furniture.